Data suggests that an experimental drug is showing promise when it comes to helping seriously ill patients with COVID-19. But as 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala explains, it's just too early to know if this drug is the answer.
And I'm like, I can't breathe. And then it got worse and worse and worse within like an hour or two.
ER nurse Manuel Castro has now fully recovered from COVID-19 after being hospitalized.
About 10, 15 minutes later, into the emergency room, they were putting me out and putting me into like the medical induced coma type of thing and putting me on the ventilator.
He says he was showing no improvement even days after being put on a ventilator. Then he was given the investigational antiviral drug called remdesivir. 2 days later,
I woke up and I was like, I'm waking up. I was excited that I was waking up.
Remdesivir is currently being used in clinical trials on COVID-19 patients across the U.S., including right here at UC San Diego Health.
Remdesivir has shown promising results, very promising, in compassionate use settings.
According to Stat News, a healthcare publication, doctors at the University of Chicago Medicine are seeing promising results in early data from clinical trials. More than 100 severely ill COVID-19 patients treated with remdesivir saw rapid recoveries. Nearly all of them were discharged from the hospital in less than a week. But right now, experts say it's just way too early to come to any conclusions about this drug. Gilead Sciences, the company creating remdesivir, sent 10 News a statement saying in part, the totality of the data needs to be analyzed in order to draw any conclusions from the trial. As for Castro, he's just happy to be healthy once again and ready to get back to work.
To get back on the front lines and taking care of patients again, because that's what I love to do. It's my passion. So I can't wait to do it again.
Mimi Alcala, 10 News.
So glad to see him recovered. Gilead Sciences also tells 10 News it expects data from multiple studies to evolve over the next month, and that will help establish the safety of the drug used in patients with COVID-19.